Okay guys, so in the last video you see me cleaning up the big fenced in area. Well, since I was on the road I went on ahead and kind of straightened the porch out a little bit, so I have a little bit more walk room getting into my home. It's not much, but it's a lot more room, and yeah, so hopefully this becomes a lot easier. The things I do have on the porch again is celery, kale, mustard tenders, and some bunching onions, and I'm gonna some Swiss chard, and that's what I'm gonna have on the porch for right now. So if I need any of these items, I can just actually go and pull them out. If my celery ends up too overcrowded, I will take them and put them in the big area, find a spot for them. So today is Sunday, and we'll see how the weather goes the rest of this week. If I'm gonna move somewhere, move some of the collards and cabbage that I actually have grown, and mustard, I might spread them out. I don't know. We'll see how it goes as the week go by. I would love to do it today, but I do not want to overwork myself on this Sunday and have to be prepared for work tomorrow. So remember, everything do not have to be done at once. Know your body and know when it's time to sit it down. But again, it goes back to what I said, that if you're doing pretty much weekly updates on your garden, straightening out, tidying up, then it would not be overwhelming when the season is over. Look at my eyebrows, they are just, it's time. I'm sorry, sidetracked. But so do it on a regular, where you don't have to do it at the end of the season, and you never have to do a big garden cleanup. Mine is just a bowl of gumbo. I'm constructing, building projects, planting, growing, harvesting, so, and then illnesses. So all that just came all in the same season for whatever reason, or the last two seasons, summer and fall. Hopefully my goal is by next summer this time. It seemed far away to some, but in the garden season it goes by pretty fast. Hopefully by this time next year, well, garden season in the summer, which I will not be, I'm trying not to be planting anything in the summer, but I will allow whatever's growing to finish growing out, so I can continue projects that I don't want to do in the summer, in the heat of the summer. Hopefully I don't get to that point. I'm finished with major projects, but stay tuned for all the updates that I will be doing, all the projects I will be doing. I have one right behind you guys that I'm not going to show right now because I know I will not get to it this week, but I do have an idea what I am going to plant in it, and that's only because I would have done it today, but I don't have any soil, so I have to load up on some soil for that particular project, and then I will do that one. That one won't take too long at all, but I got to get it started. So have a great day, guys. This area will be next. It's not so bad because we did a small cleanup on it, but my husband decided to put my planter thing over here. I don't want it there because it's going to get ate up by weeds if they start growing. But I do have to still complete my seed starting table, the drain system. I kind of backed off of that, not because I didn't want to do it, but things happen. I have everything I need for that. I just got to get it done. So I have that and a few other things I got to do. I showed you the greenhouse already, and I did lay the little borders. I didn't stick them in the ground. I just want to see if I can do it. So I got lazy and didn't feel like getting the hammer and going back down there. But anyway, so yeah, a couple of things is planned. Some simple things, nothing major right now, until I see how cold it's going to get next week. And see, I have to scavenge up my lumber because of the lumber price. And you're going to hear me say that a lot because lumber is so high. Shucks, man, it's some things I want to have been already done, But money start getting funny. Okay. See you on the next one.